Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the Pipsometer Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool focuses on showing pip movements with high precision so you can track price changes and performances more clearly. In this tutorial you will learn what it displays, how it integrates with your charts, and where it can support trade management. The Pipsometer Indicator is designed to enhance pip tracking by working with additional decimal precision and detailed pip calculations on MetaTrader. It monitors price changes and can break down pip differences between key points, helping traders understand performance and movement with greater accuracy. This precision is aimed at improving trade management and risk assessment, especially for styles that rely on fine price movement or increments. On the chart, the pixometer integrates with MT4 or MT5 in our case to show pip related information such as differences between prices or movements over a range. Depending on the configuration, it can display pip data on the main chart in separate data windows or as comments, all focused on showing detailed movements. Traders can refer to these readouts to gauge how far price has moved and to find entries, exits, and evaluation of trades. As you can see on the charts, once I make a sell, the pixometer starts reading it instantly how many pips has been gained or lost in that transaction, how many shorts or longs are opened, and when you are ready to close, it literally reads the amount of pip made in total. In our case, a minus 1.0. The pipsometer offers customization over how and where pip precision and related calculations are displayed, including options for extra decimals and presentation style. You can calculate pip differences between highs and lows, distance to support and resistance, and other measures based on the precise value it tracks. As you can see in the inputs in the settings, the indicator is well suited to scalpers and other traders who depend on small price changes and want very accurate pip monitoring. It does not generate trading signals and should be considered a measurement and analysis tool that supports but does not replace a complete strategy. As with any tool, effectiveness depends on how its information is used within a disciplined approach and risk framework. You can download the pixometer indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This has been a focused explanation from the Forex Geek on how enhanced peak precision can support trade management and analysis. If you value tools like this that clarify peak movement and performance, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more platform tutorials.